Good day, everyone. My name is Tutor Dan. So I have this question that says root 18 plus 2 root 2. So this is a question in Surds, and this is addition of Surds. Now, the law of addition of Surds says that you can only add 2 or more Surds if they are like Surds. If they are like Surds. Now, they are like Surds if they have exactly the same number in the roots. So, for example, if I have root 2, I can only add another root 2. So that's 1 root 2 plus 2 root 2 will now give me 2 root 2. If I have root 5, for example, then plus 6 root 5. Now, I can go ahead to add. This is 1 root 5 plus 6 root 5. That will give me 7 root 5. So I can only add because they are like Surds. Now, in a situation where we are now having root 18 plus 2 root 2, these are obviously unlike Surds, right? Because 18 is the number in the first Surd, while 2 is the number in the second Surd. What do? I need to simplify 18. Now, the square root of 18 is the same thing as the square root of simplify 18. If I simplify 18, 18 is the same thing as 2 times 9. 9 is the same thing as 3 times 3. So that root 18 is equal 2 times 3 times 3. This is simplification of Surds. And every number, every 2 pair becomes, for example, remember, if I want to find the square root of 4, for example, it's equal to, why is the square root of 4 2? It is because 2 is that number that will multiply itself twice to give us 4. So when I have 9, for example, the square root of 9 is equal to 3, because 3 will multiply itself twice to give us 9. So in simplifying Surds, every pair becomes the square root of a number. So that means that I have pair. It means these 2 pairs, which is 3, is the square root of a number, let's say 9. So what does that mean? It means these 2 pairs will no longer be in the brackets, because these 2 pairs is the square root of a number, which is 3, right? The square root of 9 is 3. So one of them is the square root of a number. So that means that the square root of 18 now is equal, these 2 pair becomes one number, no longer in the square root, that is 3, root, we have 2 in the roots. So 18 is 3 root 2. We can now rearrange or rewrite this question. Instead of root 18 now, we now have 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Now we now have like Surds. So we can now go ahead to add 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 will give us, that's 3 plus 2 root 2, which is equal 5 root 2. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, subscribe, and share for more videos like this. Until I come your way again, bye for now.